Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing what matters: a code editor and a tiny project scaffold. Open index. HTML and add a mobile-first meta viewport, semantic header, main, footer. Once done, link styles. CSS and app. JS so changes render immediately. Create a simple grid container and placeholder sections for hero, about projects, contact. Make small commits as you go to avoid losing work. This gets you into actionable building quickly rather than endless setup. Now move into layout and responsiveness. Now you design the responsive core. Use CSS grid for page regions and Flexbox for nav and cards so elements adapt. Define mobile-first rules and then add breakpoints at 768px and 1024px to adjust columns and font scales. Once grid areas are set, implement fluid type with clamp and image src set with sizes for performance. Make navigation collapsible with a hamburger toggle driven by a small JS listener. Test by resizing and using device emulation to iterate quickly and precisely. Finish by adding interactivity, a tiny JS module for project filtering, smooth scroll for anchor links, and toggling nav state. Make sure you add keyboard focus styles and area attributes so everyone can use it. Once polished, minify CSS and JS, compress images, and deploy to a static host, then set caching headers. If something breaks, inspect the console for errors and check linked file paths. Most issues are missing links or typos, so verify file names and refresh caches to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.